Hi, my name is Luisa Fernanda Jimenez Gaviria. My document tax for livestock. Step 3 pronunciation activity. Did you spend much money for your last trip? Was it a fair amount? On my last trip that went to Santa Marta, out of what the plan cost me. I spent 400 pesos. If it was for science, I used it for foods, memories, and additional tools. What are the most visited places or tourist attractions in your city? In my town of Remedios, the most tourist places are the Paris of Municipality, the Miner Parks, and the airport located in Notu. What was the most incredible activity you did on your trip? What did you do? The most amazing activity I did on my trip to Santa Marta during Holy Week was snorkeling, seeing lots of fish, corals, and taking pictures of myself in the sea. What are the best things that have happening to you during 3? Mention 2. The best thing that have happened to me during the 3 were reading a plane for the first time and see the landscape from above and enjoy the sea reading on water transport. Have you worked with tourists? How was it? I currently work in a tourist agency, which is called Zone and Destination, with its based in Medellin, Santa Rosa, and Remedios, and managing many national and international planes. Thank you for your attention.